Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, two batches of steady rain, the one that came through late this afternoon and the second one over the last couple of hours, some downpours as well. Some spots have nearly picked up, well, 3/4 of an inch of rain. So pretty good soaking today. So the snow yesterday, the rain today. You see some areas of purple. Northern part of the state raining with temperatures near the freezing mark. So some pockets of freezing rain in our northern suburbs, both Gloucester and North Smithfield have been at 32 degrees all night long. Now this batch of precipitation moving away, but it leaves behind the puddles, the slush, and the wet pavement. We start to see the gradual drop in the temperature, and that'll lead to some black ice. So the rain ending, still some standing water, some big puddles. A lot of the storm drains are clogged up, so the water has nowhere to go. Falling temperatures, but as mentioned earlier, it's not a rapid freeze or what we call a flash freeze. The drop in temperature will be slow, but getting below freezing overnight, early tomorrow morning, upper 20s to lower 30s, so some refreeze overnight. So concerned a little bit about some black ice. Low clouds, fog, showers, drizzle in downtown Providence. It's dropped a degree in the last 4 hours, so that temperature drop has been slow. Light northwest breeze at 3. Humidity remains high at 92%. So again, our far northern suburbs near the freezing mark, including Worcester. I mean, Newport just barely above freezing. Taunton only 2 degrees above freezing, so it won't take much for these numbers to go down a little bit overnight, and that's why we're dealing with the potential for black ice through at least 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So be aware of that. Even though it'll start off sunny, some of the roads may be in tough shape, at least the ones that are not treated with sand and salt. Storm system from this afternoon pulling offshore gave us some of the heavier rain this afternoon and this evening. Behind that, drier air will work in. You can see the clearing line already passing through central upstate New York, and that'll pass through overnight. So we do wake up to some chilled sunshine tomorrow morning. And notice temperatures across the northeast. While chilly, it's not terribly cold, and once the sunshine actually gets to work tomorrow, it'll warm up nicely, well above freezing. We're forecasting highs in the mid-40s. You see that temperature drop overnight. Just follow the clock right up in here. 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, 26 in Foster, Gloucester to low 30s along the South Shore. So if you wake up tomorrow morning, the road looks wet, shiny. More than likely it's not wet at all. It's a little bit of black ice, but the temperature does recover nicely by 9 a.m. Most areas are above freezing, so once we get beyond say 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, any threat of black ice should be gone. Up to the mid-40s tomorrow afternoon. Actually a very nice day, sunshine, and then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, temperatures fall back to near freezing with some precipitation coming by this time tomorrow night. There may be some more freezing drizzle in our northern suburbs. I'll show you that in a 7-day Futurecast. For tomorrow morning, sunshine, a little icy early on, but temperatures do recover. 11 o'clock in the morning, 41, mid-40s. Real nice tomorrow afternoon with some melting. So it's, sweaters, warm jackets, and sunglasses. That'll be the weather gear. 7-day Futurecast, talk about warm. 53, windy on Friday, very mild with showers, perhaps even the rumble of thunder. Thursday day looks fine, but later tomorrow night, with the approach of a warm front, drizzle, showers, and fog late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and there may be some brief icing in our northern suburbs tomorrow night. So the daylight hours look dry tomorrow, bringing in some rain in here tomorrow night, and kind of wet and windy on Friday. Weekend cools off a little bit, but pretty comfortable both Saturday and Sunday. Then back to much colder weather next week with daytime highs only upper 20s to low 30s. Again, black ice the problem overnight, early tomorrow morning.
And Kelly showing too how that rain on top of what's already ice makes it even more slippery for everybody out there.
And then filling some potholes with water, and it's, no matter how you travel lately, it's been tough.
It's a mess. All right. Tony, thank you.